Haunted Objects of Jamaica. Top 10 Eeriest Artifacts and Legends. 8. The Rolling Calf's Chain. Not all haunted objects are found in grand estates or rivers. Some trail behind fearsome creatures of the night. The Rolling Calf's Chain is one such object, linked to a terrifying ghost in Jamaican folklore. The rolling calf is described as the spirit of a wicked person, often a dishonest butcher or an obeah practitioner, who has died and returned as a monstrous calf or bull, cursed to wander backroads in the dark. Stories of the rolling calf come from Jamaica's African heritage and were commonly told in rural areas to keep night travelers wary of evil spirits.
Follow Jamaican true story.
The rolling calf is infamous for the clanking, clanging chain it drags along with it. Descriptions vary. Some say the ghost appears as a huge black bull with blazing red eyes, others as a goat-like creature, but all agree on the rattling sound of its chain echoing in the night air. The chain is often envisioned as attached to a collar around the calf's neck. As the duppy roams lonely roads and pathway, the eerie noise of the chain is the first warning to any unwary traveler. If you hear the clatter approaching, folklore says do not look back, because the rolling calf may be gaining on you. Generations of Jamaicans claim to have heard or even seen the rolling calf on country lanes. The jangling of an unseen chain in the bushes at night can send even the bravest soul running. Some people have found unexplainable chain drag marks across dirt roads in the morning, with no cattle nearby. Others tell of facing a large animal blocking their path, chain scraping the ground, only for it to vanish when confronted. The chain itself is a source of dread. One tale recounts a man who bent down to touch an abandoned length of chain on a road, and an invisible force nearly choked him with it. The rolling calf and its ghostly chain have no fixed abode. They roll all over Jamaica, especially in rural parishes after dark. Many specific places like remote paths in Clarendon or St. Thomas are rumored to be its stalking grounds. The legend of the rolling calf's chain remains one of Jamaica's most vivid haunted object stories. A reminder to travelers to learn to stay out of the yard.